What's up guys, this is Massey, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to talk about squaring a square root, which means that if we consider a number called a, and this number is supposed to be non-negative, which is 0 or positive, it can be 0 and positive, the square root of a to the power of 2 will be equal to a. Square root of a to the power of 2 is going to be equal to a. And what's the proof? The proof of that is square root of a times square root of a is going to be equal to a. Or we can say that square root of a is the same as a to the power of 1 over 2. So a to the power of 1 over 2 times a to the power of 1 over 2 is going to be a to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2, which will be 2 over 2, and that's going to be equal to a to the power of 1, or just a. For example, if we have square root of 16 to the power of 2, so square root of 16 to the power of 2 is going to be square root of 16 times square root of 16. The answer is going to be just 16 based on the lesson we had here. So another method to solve it, square root of 16 times square root of 16, we evaluate each of them separately. Square root of 16 is 4, square root of 16 is 4, so 4 times 4 is going to be 16, same answer. Next example, we have negative root 20 to the power of 2 times negative root 20 to the power of 2. The answer is, we evaluate each of them separately. Negative root 20 times negative root 20, negative times negative will be positive, and then root 20 times root 20 is going to be just 20. Then this one is 20, this one is 20, 20 times 20 is going to be 400. Next example, we have root negative 2 to the power of 2. Root negative 2 to the power of 2. As you see here, this number is negative. The number under the radical is negative. We said it's supposed to be non-negative. So the answer is, it is not a real number. It's an imaginary number. We don't learn it right now. But whenever you have it here, you just write there is no answer in real numbers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.